Welcome back, my friends, and happy Tuesday. This is Lindsay coming right back at you with another daily work from home job lead. If you enjoy helping people that are stuck in a hard place financially, this might be just the opportunity for you. The company Bread Financial, they are a tech-forward financial services company. They are hiring a hardship customer solutions advocate. Now, this is a full-time work-from-home position. They are hiring within the United States, but they are hiring from select states that include Ohio, Idaho, Georgia, Missouri, New Mexico, Utah, Arizona, Kansas, North Carolina, Indiana, and Texas. If you are from one of those states, they are looking for a customer solutions advocate to work with customers who are past due on their payments on their accounts. You will help set up hardship plans for those who have had a life qualifying event that prevents them from being able to make their scheduled payments on their accounts. As an advocate, you will take transferred calls from the regular customer service line and early stage collections for customer identified as potential hardship candidates. So you'll basically assist the customers with their delinquent accounts. You may make outbound phone calls to reach out to customers that have missed a payment and help get them enrolled in a hardship program, setting up payment solutions that really work with them and getting them back on track. Now, they do not require any college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has 1 or more years of collection or customer service experience. They need someone who can be flexible in their schedule, including days, evenings, and weekends. Someone who has a dedicated workspace in their house that is free from distractions and noise. Of course, they will provide you with all the computer equipment you need. You just have to have internet connection and a place to set up an office in your home. Now, pay for this position is based on experience and location. Of course, the pay range is anywhere from $15 an hour all the way up to $26.20 an hour. They also offer a standard benefit package, including medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.